Once upon a time, in a small village, there lived a curious young girl named Maya. She had an insatiable thirst for knowledge and would spend her days exploring the wonders of the world around her. However, the village lacked proper educational resources, and Maya's dreams of formal education seemed out of reach. One day, a group of travelers arrived in the village. Among them was a wise old man named Mr. Johnson, who was passionate about education and believed in its transformative power. Hearing about Maya's curiosity and determination, he decided to share his knowledge with her and the other children in the village. Under the shade of a big tree, Mr. Johnson started teaching the children basic subjects like math, science, history, and literature. He used creative teaching methods, weaving stories and practical examples into his lessons, making learning both enjoyable and memorable. As days turned into weeks, the village children's enthusiasm for learning grew exponentially. They eagerly looked forward to their daily sessions with Mr. Johnson, and even parents began attending the classes, realizing the importance of education for their community's future. The news of Mr. Johnson's educational initiative spread like wildfire, and soon volunteers from neighboring villages joined him in his endeavor. They brought books, educational materials, and even portable blackboards to enhance the learning experience. As the children's knowledge expanded, so did their dreams. Maya, once unsure about her future, now aspired to become a scientist and discover new things about the world. Her friend Raj dreamed of becoming a doctor to heal people and alleviate their suffering. Each child found their passion and purpose through education. Seeing the incredible impact of education, the village leaders decided to build a proper school. They reached out to the government for support, and soon the humble village school was constructed, complete with classrooms, a library, and a playground. Maya and her friends were filled with joy and gratitude. They knew that education was not just about learning facts and figures. It was about empowerment, opening doors to new opportunities and shaping a brighter future. The school flourished, attracting more teachers, mentors, and resources. The village transformed into a hub of learning, with a generation of educated and inspired individuals who were eager to make a difference in the world.